La Pynlong yaka district level science seminar Halor kapang artificial intelligence potentials and concerns. Minin ha RMSA government secondary school Jowai bala penyait daka district school education officer lanika DSEO ha kanika seminar layo I yaka jingpen I Halor ka jingmentoy bat ki jingduna jongka AI technology. O deputy commissioner iba B Soalia ila banjur Halor ka jingpen dan kam jongka AI nadu kipor ki pakam menshwa bat ya ka jingla ka jongka ban wat jingtip Halor kimat jongka jingkala ha kamariang la samru ya ki sernat shakinong job baro bat ugari ruben nong plu ulawan ha ka kerdan ka baningkong.
We say so, mankind have toyed, have played, developed, have experimented with artificial intelligence right from when they split the atom. That's artificial intelligence that time, like as we proceeding through the years. In fact, before the advent of the computers, the calculator was already there. I think all of us, we quite elderly, we know that calculator, plus minus, we do all the calculations. That is artificial intelligence. I think you'll agree with me.